Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a multi-language website in Webflow. Creating a website that speaks to a global audience is crucial for many businesses. We will explore two primary methods: leveraging powerful third-party integrations and implementing a more hands-on manual duplication strategy. Each approach offers distinct advantages, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for your project's scope and your team's resources. One of the easiest ways to make your Webflow site multilingual is by using third-party translation tools. Services such as Weglot or Localize integrate seamlessly, often requiring just a few clicks. These platforms automatically detect and translate all your content, providing a user-friendly language switcher. This method is ideal for rapid deployment and managing translations without extensive manual effort, saving you valuable time and resources. For those seeking maximum control, the manual duplication strategy is an excellent option. This involves duplicating your entire site structure, including pages and collections, for each language you wish to support. You then manually translate all content, ensuring every word and phrase is perfectly tailored. While more labor-intensive, this approach gives you absolute precision over your multilingual content and its presentation. Regardless of the method you choose, several best practices will ensure your multilingual Webflow site succeeds. Always maintain consistent navigation and a seamless user experience across all language versions. Pay close attention to search engine optimization for each target language to maximize visibility. Finally, thoroughly test your site on different devices and browsers to guarantee flawless functionality for every visitor, everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.